How to stop bad breath naturally at home. Imagine the joy of being bad breath free forever. Well, now's your chance to make it happen for real. Today is the date to get your life back, so I urge you to make the right decision, to make the best investment you will ever make. An investment in yourself, your health and your happiness. This is the exact same step-by-step program that solved my own bad breath problems, and has helped thousands of people around the world to achieve the same life-changing results. All you need to do to get the same results yourself is follow the program. Please bear in mind that the price of bad breath free forever is incredibly low, and has been deliberately kept low to help as many people as possible to finally get rid of their bad breath once and for all. However, I cannot guarantee that the price will remain low forever. So if you come back tomorrow and the price has changed to $77, $97 or more, you have been warned. Being skeptical is natural, but I've made sure that there's absolutely no risk to you when you order bad breath free forever. You're fully protected by a rock-solid 60-day money-back guarantee. In short, if you're not happy, you get your money back, you risk absolutely nothing. Here are some testimonies from some of our happy customers. I can't thank you enough. I used to be ashamed of my breath. I literally didn't want to leave my home because it was so bad. I tried everything my dentist told me to do, but nothing worked for more than a few hours. Now my breath is fresher, cleaner and 100% better. Your program has literally finally given me my life back. I can't thank you enough. She is okay. Oh, why don't more people know about this? Just 1 month ago I was so miserable. I don't think I have ever been so low. It was all because of my bad breath. I discovered it was a problem when I noticed people at work shying away from talking to me, and since then it has taken over my life. I can't believe how well your system worked. Why don't more people know about this? Claire. So simple yet so effective. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. I thought this nightmare was never going to end. My mom found your website and told me to take a look. I had very low expectations, but I am absolutely delighted with the results. Your techniques are so simple yet so effective. I just started the program and my breath is already much better. I feel like a massive weight has been lifted from my shoulders. Lizzie. Thank you from me, my wife and everyone who knows me. You are an absolute legend, James. I was starting to get a serious complex about my breath and was really struggling to talk to people. Because I was so worried about what they might be smelling and how they would react. Your program is fantastic and it really works. Thank you from me, my wife and everyone who knows me. Click the link in the description below to read more about bad breath free forever.